everyone, and today is Christmas.
Yes, Mommy P Love, today is Christmas. We wish you Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Society more shadows, even is coming.
More videos are coming, guys. Subscribe to Mommy's channel.
We give my friend a present.
He's going to give his friend presents. He bought present for his friends. So we are on our way going out to give friends presents.
And he will be got a present for me too.
Yes, and he has his own present too. Okay guys, bye.
Bye, see you.
See you in our next video.
Yeah, because more videos coming this way.
There are more videos coming your way, guys. Stay tuned. Bye.